Now that you know how to create and sell UGC videos, let's talk about how to actually market your services and land clients. Marketing yourself as a UGC creator doesn't have to be complicated, and we're going to walk you through some practical steps to help you get noticed and start making money. Step one, you want to set up your freelance profile. One of the first things you need to do is set up your freelance profile. If you're using platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Backstage, your profile is your first chance to make a great impression. Here are some things to consider. Make sure you have a clean, professional looking profile picture. It doesn't have to be fancy, just clear and approachable. Remember, you want to look friendly, professional, and confident in your photos. Have a compelling bio. Write a bio that showcases your skills, experience, and personality. Highlight what makes you different, whether it's your ability to create relatable, authentic UGC or your focus on a specific niche like age specific product content. Be authentic and keep it simple. Showcase your work with samples. Your profile should include samples of the UGC videos you've created. If you're just starting out and don't have many paid clients yet, you can create a few sample videos yourself. These will serve as a portfolio, demonstrating your style and skill to potential clients. Craft an attractive offer. When it comes to selling your UGC services, you need to create an offer that grabs attention. Think about what your potential clients want and how you can deliver it in a way that makes their life easier. Here are some tips. Clearly define your service. Make sure your service is clear. Do you offer product reviews, tutorials, unboxings, or testimonials? Clearly define the scope of your service and include details like the length of the video, any revisions, and the formats you provide. Competitive pricing. When you're just starting, it can be tempting to undercut prices to attract clients. But it's important to remember your time and expertise are valuable. Price yourself competitively, but don't sell yourself short. Look at what other UGC creators charge and adjust your pricing accordingly. Create tiered packages, offering different packages based on what the client needs. For example, you might offer a basic package for a short video, a standard package for a longer video with more detailed content, and a premium package for high quality, multiple revisions or extras like captions or background music. Charge for additional takes. Sometimes a video that is 1 minute long will have 6 different takes in it. Make sure you review the brief and check that out to make sure you're charging correctly for your time. Finding clients and building your network is step 3. Now that your profile is set up and you have a compelling offer, let's talk about how to actually find clients and build a network that brings in consistent work. Here are some strategies. Search for job listings on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Mandy. There are many more. You can search for job listings related to UGC. These platforms usually have filters to help you narrow down your search by project type, budget, and location. Apply to listings that match your skill set and offer something unique in your proposal. Reach out to potential clients. Don't wait for clients to come to you. Take the initiative and send direct messages to businesses, brands, or even content creators you admire. Let them know you can create UGC content for them and offer to send a sample video. Be polite and respectful in your approach, and always tailor your message to their specific needs. How about leveraging existing relationships? If you've already worked with brands, don't be afraid to ask for referrals or to let them know you're available for new projects. Word of mouth is powerful in the freelance world. And if you've done good work, clients are often happy to recommend you to others. Step 4 is client communication and managing expectations. Effective communication is key when working with clients. Here's how to make sure everything goes smoothly. When you first communicate with a potential client, ask clarifying questions to ensure you understand their needs. If they're requesting UGC, ask about the type of content they want. the tone they prefer, and any specific guidelines. This shows you're professional and invested in creating great content for them. Set clear expectations. Be upfront about your process, pricing, and timeline. Let your client know when they can expect the first draft, how many revisions are included, and when the final video will be delivered. If there are any delays, communicate those as quickly as possible. Maintain professionalism. Keep your communication professional and friendly. Be responsive to messages, meet deadlines, and always deliver high quality work. Building a reputation for being reliable and easy to work with will make clients more likely to return for future projects. Step 5 is building long term relationships for repeat business. One of the best ways to sustain your freelance career is by building long term relationships with your clients. Here are some tips to keep them coming back for more. Over deliver on value when you can. Go above and beyond for your clients, whether it's providing them with a few extra revisions, giving them advice on how to optimize their content for social media, or just offering a quick thank you message. Little gestures can go a long way in building goodwill. Follow up. After you deliver the content, follow up with the client to ask if they're happy with the final product. If they have feedback, be open to it and offer revisions as needed. This shows you care about the quality of your work and your client's satisfaction. When I first started doing UGC, I did a lot of revisions. It goes with it's just part of the learning process. You'll get it, but be willing to make that client happy in the end. Offer ongoing services. If you've created UGC for a product launch, reach out after a few months to see if they have new campaigns you can help with. Stay in touch and offer your services for future content needs. Long-term partnerships are ideal in freelancing because they bring in consistent work. How about testimonials and reviews? As you start working with more clients, ask them for testimonials or reviews. Positive feedback from clients helps build credibility and attract new clients. Always make sure to showcase these testimonials on your freelancing platform profile or personal website, as social proof is powerful. Okay, now you have the tools and strategies to market your UGC services and start building a client base. The key is to be proactive, professional, and persistent. Marketing yourself doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just focus on providing value, building relationships, and being consistent. The more clients you work with, the more opportunities you'll have for repeat business and referrals.